helicopter. You know it's good? That's a military helicopter. Damn it, it's a plane. There's a military helicopter. No, that is a military helicopter. Yeah, you can see the propellers. Say it sounded like one. There must be someone attacking the missing dementia patient, so they need a freaking military helicopter to protect her. Almost 2 years of this shit. Fucking war zone on my roof. And the neighbors are too stupid to notice. Fucking government purposely trying to fucking kill me, infrared spying on me and telling everybody war planes and war helicopters.